If you have ever seen someone riding with a minimalist luggage setup and wondered how on earth do they manage with so little, this video is for you. Here's the truth. The biggest problem with packing isn't your luggage, it's your mindset. Most riders try to pack for every possible situation. But motorcycle travel isn't about being over-prepared, it's about being strategic and adaptable. It rewards flexibility, not fear. There is one overarching and critical rule that will help you get there. Packing by function, not just in case. If it's not essential for riding, safety, or sleep, question it. Instead of asking, what might I need, ask this. What do I absolutely need every single day? To make this easier, you can break your packing into a few priorities. Riding gear and safety, most of this you will be wearing or using while you ride. Weather protection for yourself and your gear. Basic clothing, and we mean genuinely as basic as possible. And emergency essentials, first aid kit, toolkit, spares, as long as it has been put together with careful thought. Everything else is optional. The reality is that most of us in India are riding routes where a lot of what we might need can quite easily be acquired if and when that need arises. Changing the way you think and the question that you ask about each thing that is going into your bag can completely change the way you pack. Now on to some practical tips. Most of us pack way too many clothes. Instead, follow the 3-day rule. Take just what you need for 3 days at most. Then wash and repeat. Quick drying, lightweight fabrics are better. Compress everything that you can. Use smaller bottles for toiletries, roll your clothes instead of folding them, stuff socks and innerwear in shoes or tiny gaps, and use compression sacks for puffy gear like sleeping bags. Try to carry stuff that offers multiple uses. That's the packing sweet spot. For example, a simple buff can be used as a neck warmer, mask, head cover, or sweatband. A low-profile riding mid-layer can be used under your riding gear and in the evening when you're off your bike. A good multi-tool can easily replace a bulky basic toolkit. If any item only does one job, think twice before packing. And remember to pack for easy access. In India, weather and riding conditions can change often. Keep stuff that you want to be able to reach closer to the top. The easier it is to reach and use something, the less likely you are to overpack with backups. What are some rules that you follow which help you pack more efficiently on your motorcycle? Share your tips in the comments, or if you have any questions, you can drop them there too. If you found this video useful, please share it with someone else who you think might like it too. Thank you for watching.